There's gonna be 2 votes at the end of this video. I need you guys, if you do anything during this video, just vote on the 2 things at the end.
Love yourself. A merry little Christmas.
I literally set this camera up and now there's a million sounds. I apologize for the background noise in advance. First of all, this is not clickbait. I am not quitting YouTube, but I'm quitting vlogging. But it's a good thing, really. So I told you guys I would do Vlogmas. I like accepting challenges. I like taking things on that I've never done before. As you guys can tell with all the mods we do to the cars, if I've never done it, it entices me. I want to try it. I want to know what it's like. And that is exactly how Vlogmas started. Vlogmas kicked off with me never having daily vlog before, never showing my life, just showing the cars. And I thought it would be a really cool experience to try it, and there's a lot of people who successfully do it and stuff. What I have come to realize is that to do daily vlogging successfully, you need a budget, and a big budget, and not a budget that comes with my channel's size, I would say. You'd need a bigger channel to be able to daily vlog and have the budget to throw new mods on every single day. And what my channel is heavily based around is me and Emerson having fun, messing around and modding cars. And what it has become over the last couple of weeks doing daily vlogging, I don't have new mods every day. So I do a couple cool mods, and then I do a couple boring videos in my downtime. But those boring videos, I feel like, are pushing people away. And then when the good videos come back, no one watches them. Like if you go watch us putting on Underglow, if you go watch, that thing needs to stop honking when I'm talking. If you go watch Courtney learning to drive stick, like there is some good videos this month, but there's ones where we had Friendsmas, where I think the title is EG is sketchy in the passenger seat. That shouldn't have been a video. Like that day to me is a stupid video. And I had 2 options. It was either keep going and bang this month out, or pull it. And I know it hurts some of you guys, and I'm really sorry to everybody that was expecting Vlogmas, but I pulled the trigger because I don't like putting out stuff that doesn't make me happy. And for the last couple weeks, there's been a lot of stuff I'm putting out just to put it out, and it's not what I want to represent. It's not what I want to show off on my channel. It's not what I want you guys to be watching. It's just not me. It's not. And somewhere along the line of summer ending and me getting the garage and me trying to upload more and, oh, shut up. Me trying to upload more and stuff, me and Emerson just doing mods and having fun, somewhere along there got lost. And I know this video, even though I'm gonna try and get a lot of you guys to watch it, probably won't get that many views, but for everybody that cares, daily vlogging's done. There's just no point in uploading content if the views keep going down, and I keep spending money to make videos, but I'm making less and less money, so in return, it's really stupid for me to do it. And honestly, like I've been up till 3 a.m. the last 3 days in a row, and then waking up first thing in the morning to just keep doing stuff. And I'm not up till 3 a.m. because I'm working hard. I'm up because I'm like mentally can't slow down, because I'm like, what do I do? What's my next video? What's my next move? What do I got? Like, I need to just chill out. It's not good for me, and the content suffers, and I just don't like putting it out. So at the end of the day, this is my channel. You guys are here to have fun and build cars, and if we're not building cars and having fun, I don't want to put the videos out. So what does this mean for you guys? This means that there will just be no more daily uploads. Until the new year, I'm not sure what's going on. I'm going home on Friday. Today is Tuesday. I'm going home on Friday for a week. I'm just gonna take that week, spend it with my family. Like, you guys get quality family time. Just because I make videos doesn't mean that I don't deserve the same thing, right? So I'm just a human just like you guys. I'm just a person, and I want to spend time with my family who I never see because they live across the country. And I'm gonna do that for a week. 2019, we're gonna come back. We're gonna come back strong. I have a lot of plans, and I want to do them right. And I feel like I said, like, even doing the Subaru rebuilding the engine could have been like 2 videos, 2 good videos, but I made it into like 4 because I was trying to do daily uploading, and I just had to upload what I got done that day. And that's, everybody's got their style. This isn't mine, and I'm very grateful for Vlogmas, and that taught me that this isn't mine. So yeah, that's where my head's at. I'm sick of being up late, just thinking and tiring myself out for no reason, and giving you guys crappy content, because I don't like doing that. I just don't. That's not why I started this. That's not why I'm in this, and I don't enjoy what I've been putting out, so I'm not gonna put it out. In this video, I'm gonna leave you guys with 2 questions. One, oh, don't forget, merch is going live January 3rd. I don't know when I'm uploading next, so don't forget, the merch is going live January 3rd. I will definitely be reminding you guys. I'll definitely post something first, but just get hyped. 2 things I need you guys to vote on. You guys voted for the color on the Civ. Since I dipped it gray, I don't know why, but I'm like not feeling it. I feel like the red was the signature for the budget build, and now it's gray. And yeah, I think it looks dope. I think a lot of people don't like it. I think it looks tight, but at the same time, I feel like something's off. Something isn't right. So vote if you guys want it to stay gray or take that dip off. Second thing, I know we just got started on Project Rally and stuff, and there's a lot of initial hype surrounding Project Rally, but it may be due to the daily vlogs, but it may not be. I don't know. This one's hard for me because, like I said, the daily vlogs kind of lost some interest of a lot of people, and I don't know if people lost interest in Project Rally or they just lost interest in the daily vlogs. So your thoughts about Project Rally? I'm gonna leave 2 options. I don't want to sell it. I want to build it to be a beast, but I don't know if it's part of the reason that people, like, I don't know what you guys have in your brains. So I don't know if it's part of the reason that, you know, the channel started going down in views. I have no idea. Comment about Project Rally, comment about the dip on the sieve. That is it. I'm sorry, I love you guys. I don't want to put out crap, and that's just, you guys understand. If you guys are still here and you guys make, I don't know what you would even call it. If someone can make me a intro and an outro, I want to say this in the nicest way, I need them to be hella clean, like simple and clean, maybe some turbo sounds. I want to keep the same outro song, that kind of stuff. So I want like a very quality piece. No offense to anybody. I just submit them right here. Contact Robbie Ferreira at gmail.com. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will get over this setback. It's no big deal. Minor issue. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Stay committed.